Okay, YouTube, we done got some little supports for our engine, threw a little baby reed bars up in there. We got that all situated. Doesn't look too bad. I need to pull it back out in the backyard and weld up a roller wheel here for the chain. And then whenever I do the bottom chain tensioner, I also need to weld that in place because I don't just insure it with bolts, so they like to go in the wheel. But got the disc brake tab, everything welded up the motor mount, also welded the sprocket on. My chain gear was kind of slopping around, so that's got a few welds on it. Tack welded all of the bolts. That's pretty much where we're at. So one other thing I'm finna get ready to make for it before I try to put the tank on it and get this chain situated. So this here is going to be a lean back seat pole. See, I got a couple of holes so I can plug weld it, weld all around this bar. And this was originally some mini bike handlebars, so it's pretty thick. Gonna be cool. But I cut them off and I used bar risers and bicycle handlebars on it. So that's what we're gonna be doing here in a minute. Is welding this up, and getting that right. This isn't thick enough still. I might have to go around this one more time, so it'll be able to tighten up in that seat pole. So let's get that welded up and pull it out here and go on in my little bucket of parts and find a chain wheel. And what else do I need? Need to get a chain wheel and the tensioner out, and then we can start trying to button it up. Got a throttle in the bag. I probably make a throttle though. I need to find a couple brake levers. I was going to put back brakes on the bike, but I probably won't. That's what we're gonna do though. This is gonna be a lean back seat pole in a minute. Yeah, so I could sit a little further back, but that's pretty much where we're at. Got to start cleaning up my backyard a little bit because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Get all of this cleaned up. Little stuff like this off the table cleaned up. And get ready for this. Got to clean all of this up. Get ready for this weather to change. But this is what we're going to do right now. I'll be back when this is welded.